Hello friends, this is part 2 video of introduction of Power BI. The agenda of this video is what is Power BI desktop, installation of Power BI desktop and tour of the Power BI desktop. Keep watching this video. What is Power BI desktop? Power BI desktop is a free desktop application provided by Microsoft that serves as a comprehensive tool for data analysis, visualization and report creation. It has a simple and interactive interface that makes it easy for users to connect data source, transform and visualize data, and create report and dashboard. It is a part of broad Power BI ecosystem, which also includes the Power BI service, cloud-based platform, and Power BI mobile applications. Key feature of Power BI desktop include data connectivity, data transformation and modeling, data visualization, report authoring, query editor, tags, data analysis expressions, and report sharing and distribution. How to install Power BI desktop? We need to download from website which is provided by Microsoft, and we need to search here where we can easily get the installer. This is the website, this is the link, and this is the website. I'm going to show you everything over our Chrome, and this is the our URL which help us to find out the um, exact place from where you can download. Okay, let's jump into the Chrome. To install the Microsoft Power BI on your local machine, we need to get installer first. Okay, so for that we have to search Power BI desktop download on Chrome or any other browser what you guys are preferring. Okay, here we will get option like this is the place where we have to jump Microsoft Power BI. This is a website provided by Microsoft, and here Microsoft used to place everything related to the Power BI. You will get all the products here. All the products are listed here on which we discussed in our previous videos. This time we have to download Power BI desktop. Click this one, and here you will get two options: download free or download with the language, preferred language English, and download this one. You will get these two options. We need to select one for 64-bit and download it. Okay, let it download. Now, our file is downloaded successfully. This is the application file to install Microsoft Power BI desktop on your machine. One more thing we have to understand, we should know, Microsoft Power BI is only available for the Windows machine, not for the Mac one. Okay, to install on Mac you have to use VM or any other thing and work with that, then only you can able to install Power BI on your system. This is the exe. Let's double click on this. Okay, it will show this pop-up. Need to do next. Actually in my machine already it is there, that's why it is asking for repair or remove. Okay, I'm just canceling this one. Yes, and at the end you will get this window. Okay, need to click finish. So this is the process of installing Microsoft Power BI on your local machine. Once the installation is done successfully, you will get this logo on your desktop. Okay, this is the logo and this is the application on which we are going to work. I'll click on this logo. It will open Power BI application. So this is our Power BI desktop. Once you jump inside the application, you will get this page. You have to click get started, and you will reach this window. Here you have so many things on which we are going to talk in upcoming videos. It will ask you to log in. Okay, you have to give your student email ID or company email ID to log in the account. You cannot log in with your Gmail account or any other account. Okay, for now I have cancelled. Okay, and if you don't have account, then it will give you the option to create the account. Okay? So no need to worry about those things. And this is our application. So this is our desktop application, and here you will find like section wise they have divided everything. Like for data, this is the home actually, and data, queries, insert, calculation, and here is the charts option. Here you can find out report view, table view, model view, page is there. So I'm going to brief you one by one about everything what you are looking, what you are getting in this screen this time.